This is Augie here with Keith at Georgia Veterans Golf Course in Cordele. Wanted to show you an area, or show everyone the area that is, as you can see, it's number one green, partly shaded. We have removed several trees, as you can tell. However, this green still gets shade, and the point of this is to show what shade is doing as far as temperature, and be happy to show you guys. You'll notice here in the shade, 53 degrees. And we're going to walk over here. In the area there's no shade. 69 degrees. Big difference in what's happening to the turf here, why we may have turf loss, and why it's so important to remove trees that are shading over greens. With that said, obviously we're going to have a few more trees on the list to be removed, and this is after what Keith has done with the program, adding pigments and colors on the greens to bring the temperatures up on the grass. Big difference of the course so far and what trees we have removed, but going forward we may be looking at a few more trees. Just to note, going forward, today is December 23rd, 2018.